Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a jug of margarita using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a good quality tequila, fresh lime juice, an orange liqueur like triple sec or cointreau, and a simple syrup or agave nectar for sweetness. Make sure you have a large pitcher, a jigger for measuring, and a long spoon ready. Having everything chilled beforehand will ensure your margarita is perfectly refreshing from the start. Now let's get to the heart of our margarita, the perfect ratio. For a standard jug, start by pouring 1.5 cups of your favorite tequila into the pitcher. Next, add 1 full cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. This is crucial for that vibrant, tangy kick. Then, introduce 3/4 of a cup of orange liqueur, which adds a lovely citrus sweetness. Finally, incorporate about 1/2 cup of simple syrup or agave nectar to balance the flavors beautifully. Once all your ingredients are in the pitcher, it's time to give them a good stir. Mix everything together for about 30 seconds, ensuring all the flavors are well combined. Now for the fun part, taste it. Take a small sip and see if it hits all the right notes for you. If it's too tart, add a little more simple syrup. If it's too sweet, a splash more lime juice will do the trick. Remember to add ice to the pitcher only when you're ready to serve, keeping your margarita perfectly potent. To elevate your margarita experience, consider preparing your glasses. A salted rim is classic, but a sugar rim can be a delightful alternative for those who prefer less tang. Fill each glass with fresh ice, then pour your perfectly mixed margarita. A fresh lime wedge or wheel makes for an excellent garnish, adding a final touch of citrus aroma. This easy recipe will yield approximately 6 to 8 generous servings, making it perfect for sharing with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.